The Google Pixel 4 event was today, and although we knew most of the products that were going to be released, they went into a whole lot more depth. So let's talk about it. What's up everyone, it's Jason here with Red Bee Labs and welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, we provide in-depth reviews and unboxings for all tech. Okay, we've got a lot to cover, so let's go ahead and dive in. Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL. The Pixel 4 will have a 5.7-inch OLED display that's full HD+, a Snapdragon 855 chip, 2800 milliamp battery, 6 GB of RAM. The Pixel 4 XL will have a 6.3-inch OLED display that's Quad HD+, Snapdragon 855 chip, 3700 milliamp battery, 6 GB of RAM. Both will have 64 GB or 128 GB of storage. They'll have a 90 Hz display called Smooth Display. Both phones are going to be IP68 waterproof. The Pixel will have Google's own Soul chip, which provides radar to the phone and provides the motion sense for controlling the various gestures available with the phone. I saw in there where you could swipe your hand over to silence an alarm, so that was pretty cool. It has the fastest face unlock hands down, which is IR based. It's going to come with the next generation Google Assistant, which will run on the device and can process requests up to 10 times faster than the old Assistant. Now for the cameras. You get an 8 megapixel on the front, a 12 megapixel camera on the back, and another camera on the back, which is 16 megapixels, and that's going to be a telephoto camera. You'll get dual exposure camera controls, live HDR+, learning white balancing, wider range portrait mode, and astrophotography. They'll have stereo speakers, and they'll come in 3 colors, which is just black, clearly white, and oh so orange. You'll also get 3 months free of Google One with 100 GB of storage. Pixel 4 will start at $799 and it is available on all major US carriers and will be available October 24th. Pixelbook Go. The Pixelbook Go will have a 13.3-inch 4K Ultra Molecular display with an aspect ratio of 16.9. You'll have a new rippled wavy bottom for better grip, 2 front-firing speakers and dual microphones for noise cancellation. You'll have a 2 megapixel front-facing camera that can capture 1080p at 60 frames per second, which Google is now calling the Duo Cam. The Pixel Go will have an Intel Core M3 or an i5 or an i7. It'll have 8 gigs of RAM or 16 gigs of RAM. It'll come with 64, 128, or 256 gigs of storage. The dimensions are going to be 12.2 inches by 8.1 inches by 0.5 inches. There's no Pixel Pen support, but you do get 2 USB-C ports and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The Pixel Go will be available in 2 colors, which is black and light pink, and it's available for pre-order right now. It'll also be priced at $649. Nest Mini. Nest Mini looks similar to the Google Mini, just with Nest branding. It comes with Bluetooth 5.0, 802.11 AC Wi-Fi. It's got a barrel power plug instead of a USB-C port, which we'll accept. I guess it keeps the cost down. It's got 3 far-field microphones, dedicated machine learning chip that works locally on the device, speaker output twice the bass as the old Mini. It comes in chalk, charcoal, and coral, and they've also introduced a new color, which is sky. It'll be priced at $49. You can pre-order that bad boy today, and it is available on October 22nd. Nest Wi-Fi router and Wi-Fi point. It'll be 2 times the speed and 25% more coverage than the old Google Mesh. It'll have a built-in Google Assistant speaker, and it'll have the same sound quality as the Mini. You'll have touch controls and a far-field microphone. It'll have Google Assistant, which will be able to pause the internet in certain rooms or for specific devices, give a single device priority over others, or restrict online access for children. You'll also be able to manage guest Wi-Fi networks and internet connected devices. It'll come in mist, sand, and white. The Nest Wi-Fi router will cost $169. You can get a 2-pack, which will cost you $269, or you can get a 3-pack, which will cost you $349. You can pre-order that bad boy today, and it's available on November 4th. Pixel Buds 2. The Pixel Buds will be truly wireless. Sit flush in your ear, and they have a new hybrid design that goes right in your ear. No one can see it, it fits snug, and it traps in the bass. Automatically adapts to the volume in the room. It detects sound through your jawbone for more accurate sound. So, I mean, that's kind of crazy. You get a 5-hour battery on a single charge. You get Bluetooth connectivity that stays connected as far as a football field away while outdoors, or 3 rooms away while indoor. You get the complete Google Assistant functionality. It supports real-time translation, which interprets between over 40 languages. This thing's gonna be priced at $179, and the Pixel Bud 2 won't be available until spring 2020. Sorry, guys. Now, for some honorable mentions, Google Stadia. At launch, Stadia will only support made by Google devices for mobile phone gameplay. A controller will be required, and the Stadia controller connects directly over Wi-Fi and has the lowest latency around. To play at launch, you will need the Stadia Founders Edition or the Premium Edition. The Premium Edition comes with the controller, a Chromecast Ultra, and 3 months of Stadia Pro. The bundle costs $129, and this will be launching on November 19th. Nest Aware. Since the biggest complaint was the pricing and the plans were so confusing, Google decided to fix that. Now we have Nest Aware for $6 a month, which stores your past 30 days of events, and Nest Aware Pro for $12 a month, which stores your past 60-day event recording history, along with 10 days of 24/7 video history. The biggest change is, before with Nest Aware, you could only cover certain amounts of cameras, and now all your devices are covered. Home Feed. Home Feed is a new AI-based security feed for your Nest devices. This requires a Nest Aware subscription, and the Google Assistant powered speaker will be able to detect critical sounds such as dog barks or smoke alarms and send you notifications. If you or the app deems that this alert is an emergency, then it can connect you to the proper emergency services via a pop-up icon. Which to me is pretty cool. I mean, basically all of your devices now are smart devices. If they can make a sound or an alert, then Google is smart enough to hear that, translate that, and decide, is the alarm going off? Do I need to alert other people? If you don't have a smart fire alarm, then it's not sending you a notification. So now you don't even need to pay the money for that. Google is sitting here saying you already have devices in your house, and they will detect and send you the notifications, which I'm like, thank you for the time saver. You know, thank you for saving me money, Google. Before I go, if you found value in this video, if you could smash that like button, leave me a comment or two, share this video, and click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos I release. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.